Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Not all people knows the Tagalog word of that.
It is easy, maganda. It means beautiful. You see? No horn.
Mommy.
Hey, you didn't wear the lumba that I made for you.
I wore it.
No, you didn't.
I was able to do it. I just need to count the fours.
You count it.
4, 5,
Mag-Tagalog ka na lang, Kimi.
6.
Maghintay.
6 ulit.
Maghintay.
Mommy, it's 6.
My beard somewhere.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is it
Where
6?
did my beard
Is
go?
it 6? Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2.
Oh, very good.
Beardy.
You check it. Check mo dyan.
Nah, I'm just gonna show them. Here's my champion's ring from Verdes for winning the Parent and Son Storytelling Contest. I presented Issue the Fish and the Fisherman. 24K round. Here's my
Pero mag-Tagalog ka daw.
Marunong rin naman ako mag-Tagalog. Yun nga lang, mas sanay ako sa English.
Oo. Eh, bakit di naman kita ini-English madalas, ha?
Mommy,
Pero, mas
is it I'm going to put 6 on
mas sanay pa rin
No,
ako sa
that's correct.
English.
Ano?
Ako ay isang binyaga.
Binyaga? O banyaga?
Mommy, fix mo yung answer.
Okay, very good. O, answer. Why aren't you doing your assignment?
Ninano po kasi ako sa contest. Tapos, ang nanay ko, siya daw gagawa ng book. Kay kuya ba yan?
Borrowing. Dahil?
Dahil nanalo kasi ako sa contest. So, at nakaka-kaya lang naman. Nakapapahila ako sa book. Araw.
Nahirapan ka ba mag-Tagalog? Bakit?
Hindi ko nga alam yung Tagalog ng present.
Present.
Bigyan mo ako ng present dahil nanalo ako.
Regalo.
Hindi ako sure. Kapatid ko yun eh. Bukutot lagi siya kapag may video ako.
You're lying.
Thank you.